Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to have different logos for mobile and desktop on the same site at the same time on WordPress Blocksy. Okay, so we have our desktop version here on the home page, and we have our logo here. And let's go ahead and hit F12. Hit F12. Okay, and that brings us to our console. And over here we have a button, or you can press on your keyboard Control-Shift-M, and that switches us between desktop and mobile mode. And you can see we have exactly the same logo on there. It's a pretty cool logo, but what if we wanted it to be a bit different? As you can see on the mobile version, it kind of squishes down. It doesn't look too good. So let's go ahead and customize it to where we have a different logo for desktop and mobile. So we're going to go ahead and head over to our top toolbar here, click on Customize, and that should take us to the WordPress customizer. Okay, before we get started here on the customizer, let's scroll down here on the left-hand sidebar, and you can see we have desktop, tablet, and mobile. These three buttons will give you the previews that you will need to use in order to see the differences between desktop and mobile versions. So we'll be using this later. So in order to change the logo, we can either click on it or these three dots over here, or click on header, and we have logo. Let's click on that, and you can see now we have our logo here, and there's a button here which is desktop and mobile. And if you click on mobile, it also changes our preview here, but you can see it's the same one. So let's go ahead and click on mobile and click on the pencil icon, and let's choose let's choose this one. Or no, let's use the original, the old one. All right, there it is. And I can move this over here. This is beyond the scope of our project here, but you can see we can just drag and drop it. Okay, and you can see on the mobile header, I moved it up over here on the main row. But if I were to go on to the desktop version, it was already there. So let me just show you another thing here, that these entities are separate. I can put the trigger here and the logo on the right hand side, and I can switch between mobile and desktop, and you can see they're completely different headers altogether. Okay, so I'm happy with having this logo for our mobile version and this logo for our desktop version. I'm gonna hit publish to save the changes. Okay, we're here on our site again, and it doesn't matter if I reload it or not because we didn't make any changes to the desktop logo. Let's go ahead and click on the mobile toggle device button here, and you can see it hasn't changed yet. Let's hit reload, and you'll see that we now have a different logo for mobile, but also the same, or actually a different logo for desktop. So there's how you have a different logo for desktop and mobile in WordPress Blocksy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.